Take a ride in the 2023 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.